You don't just step onto this yacht, you enter another world, a floating $100 million statement where money, power, and perfection meet the open sea. This is not just an American superyacht. This is what happens when luxury has no limits and engineers are told to build the impossible. From the outside, the yacht already commands attention. Sleek lines, a sharp modern profile, polished metal and deep gloss finishes reflecting the sun like a mirror. It doesn't scream for attention. It owns it. When this yacht pulls into a marina, everything else fades into the background. But the real magic begins the moment you step on board. The main deck feels more like a high-end Manhattan penthouse than a boat. Floor-to-ceiling glass wraps around the space, blurring the line between indoors and the ocean outside. Natural light pours in from every angle, making the entire yacht feel open, warm, and alive. Nothing feels cramped. Nothing feels accidental. Every inch is designed to breathe. The materials alone tell you this yacht plays in a different league. Hand-selected marble, custom cut wood panels, soft leather seating that feels broken, in but flawless. Even the smallest details, like door handles and lighting switches, are custom made. On a yacht like this, nothing comes from a catalog. The main salon is built for both relaxation and quiet flexing. Oversized sofas face a retractable cinema screen. Hidden speakers deliver perfect sound without ever being seen. With the press of a button, the lighting shifts from bright daytime energy to soft evening calm. It's a space where billion-dollar deals could happen in the afternoon and champagne nights roll on until sunrise. Move forward and you reach the formal dining area. This isn't a place for quick meals. This is where chefs serve art on plates. A long, sculpted dining table sits under a custom chandelier designed exclusively for this yacht. Every dinner here feels like a private Michelin star experience, except your view is the open ocean. And yes, there's an elevator, because on a $100 million yacht, stairs are optional. The owner's suite is an entire apartment by itself. Full beam stretching across the width of the yacht, it offers panoramic ocean views from both sides. Waking up here means opening your eyes to nothing but blue water and sky. No traffic, no noise, just silence and motion. The bedroom flows into a private lounge, a walk-in closet that rivals luxury boutiques, and a bathroom carved from stone and glass. The shower alone is bigger than most apartment bathrooms. Dual sinks, heated floors, smart mirrors. Everything is designed to make you forget you're on a moving vessel. Guest cabins are equally impressive. Each one has its own private bathroom, custom lighting, premium bedding, and ocean-facing windows. No guest feels like a guest here. Everyone feels like an owner. Now let's talk about the outdoor spaces. Because this is where superyachts truly separate themselves. The aft deck features a massive infinity pool that blends visually into the ocean behind it. Swim here while cruising, and it feels like floating between sea and sky. Around the pool, plush loungers and shaded seating areas create the perfect balance between sun and comfort. Above that, the upper deck transforms into a full entertainment zone, a bar, a barbecue station, lounge seating, even a fire feature for cooler evenings. This is where sunsets turn into memories and nights stretch longer than planned. And then there's the sun deck, the crown jewel. This is where the yacht becomes a private resort. A jacuzzi with 360-degree views, sun pads that feel more comfortable than hotel beds, a gym setup so you can work out while staring at the horizon. Some versions even include a glass bottom section, letting light filter down through multiple decks. Hidden garages store jet skis, sea bobs, paddleboards, and tenders. Within minutes, the yacht can transform from peaceful retreat to full-on playground. Water toys launch smoothly, silently, like everything else on board. Below deck, the crew area operates like a 5-star hotel behind the scenes. Highly trained professionals manage navigation, maintenance, service, and security with military precision and luxury-level discretion. Guests rarely notice them, and that's exactly the point. Everything just works. Now let's talk numbers. This yacht isn't just expensive to buy, it's expensive to exist. Annual running costs can reach $8 to $10 million. Fuel, crew salaries, maintenance, docking, insurance, this isn't a purchase. It's a lifestyle commitment, and who owns yachts like this? American tech founders, Wall Street giants, real estate tycoons. People whose time is worth more than money. For them, a superyacht isn't about showing off, it's about control, privacy, freedom. You don't book vacations, you decide where the horizon will be tomorrow. What makes American superyachts special is their balance. They combine European craftsmanship with American scale and confidence. Bigger layouts, more tech, more comfort, less compromise. Everything is designed to feel effortless, even though nothing about it is. And the truth is, this yacht represents more than luxury. It represents what happens when ambition meets execution, when vision becomes reality, when someone decides that ordinary isn't enough. Most people will never step foot on a $100 million yacht. But that doesn't stop us from being fascinated by them, because they show us what's possible when limits are removed. So if you could spend 1 week on board this superyacht, where would you go? The Mediterranean, the Caribbean, Alaska's icy waters? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into extreme luxury at sea, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who dreams big. More incredible yachts, behind the scenes details, and jaw-dropping tours are coming your way.